Intro 0 o'clock to 0:30. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that everyone wants: glowing, clear, and naturally beautiful skin. Forget expensive creams and chemical treatments. The real glow comes from what you eat. So here are 7 powerful foods you should eat daily to get radiant skin naturally. Make sure to watch till the end because number 6 is something most people ignore. Let's get started. First up, avocados. They're full of healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that keep your skin soft, hydrated, and smooth. They also reduce skin damage from sunlight and pollution. You can eat them as toast, in a smoothie, or just with a spoon and some lemon. Healthy fats equals healthy glow. 2. Carrots to 1 o'clock to 1:30. Next is the humble carrot. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Vitamin A helps repair skin, fight acne, and make your skin glow. Drinking carrot juice or eating raw carrots daily can make a huge difference. 3. Berries, -132, 2 o'clock. Number 3. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. They're all packed with antioxidants, help fight wrinkles, skin damage, and slow down aging. They also help your body build collagen, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Try adding berries to your breakfast or smoothies. 4. Fatty fish, 2 o'clock to 2:30. At number 4, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent dry, irritated, or dull skin. Omega-3 South also reduce inflammation and redness. If you don't eat fish, you can also get omega-3 from flax seeds or walnuts. 5. Nuts and seeds, 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Next up, nuts and seeds. Walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients fight acne, protect your skin from UV damage, and support healthy oil production. Just a handful daily can work wonders. 6. Leafy greens, 3 o'clock to 3:30. Number 6. Leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and they're packed with vitamin C, iron, and chlorophyll. These greens help detox your body, boost blood flow, and reduce pigmentation. You can cook them, add them to soups, or blend them into green smoothies. 7. Water, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. And of course, water. Drinking enough water daily helps your skin stay plump, hydrated, and clear. It flushes out toxins, reduces dryness, and gives you that natural fresh look. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Tip: start your day with a glass of warm water plus lemon for an added glow. Recap to 4 o'clock to 4:30. Let's quickly recap the 7 best foods for glowing skin. Avocados, carrots, berries, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, leafy greens, water. These are natural, healthy, and easy to add to your diet, or through 4-35. So there you have it. 7 amazing foods to boost your skin's health from the inside out. Try including these in your meals, and you'll start noticing the difference in just a few weeks. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and skin tips. Stay healthy, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.